Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this purple neon skull look for Halloween. So my camera died just as I was filming my intro. So welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this look today. I filmed it on my actual camera, so it'll look a lot better than this. But yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so I did my base off camera and then I forgot that I wasn't recording and I just started kind of doing the outlines of the skull. So I'm just going to keep doing that and just using a white eyeliner, and I'm just going to start outlining the teeth now. The outlines of the skull down. So now I'm gonna grab my purple eyeshadow. I'm just using this Makeup for a single shadow, and I'm just gonna grab my brush. It's already got a ton of purple on there, and you're just gonna go over the lines with the purple. Or I mean, if you want to do a different color, you can do a different color. You can literally do everything the same and just use a different color if that's what you want. We're just gonna go over all the lines with that purple shadow. It's gonna be super messy for now. It's okay, we'll clean it up later. I forgot to draw on my nose, so I'm just gonna do that now. Oh, a little too high. I like using the white eyeliners because if you mess up, it's easy to just rub it away and keep going. So now that that's done, I'm just going to take a smaller brush back into the purple and just outline the teeth and the nose area with a smaller brush. Okay, so now the purple outlines are all done. So I'm gonna grab my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Black Bean. It's just a black pencil. I'm gonna start coloring in all of the in-between space. You wanna be careful with this step because it is black. It's gonna be a lot harder to erase. But just, you know, carefully fill everything in. We are still going to go in and clean a lot of the purple up. We'll still go in and clean a lot of it up, so just start filling it all in. I'm just gonna take my blending brush, blend that all out. I'm just going to grab this black eyeshadow from the Sephora Pro palette and just deepen this up and kind of set it as well. So now that we're looking hella messy and we got the black laid down, I'm going to go back into the purple and just go over everything again. And I'm just taking the black eyeshadow again and just going around the teeth, outlining everything again. Now I'm gonna grab my Urban Decay white liquid liner, and I'm gonna add all the neon lights. Okay, cool, so now I finished that. So I'm going to get into the eyes now. I'm just gonna use my NYX Ultimate Rainbow palette. Gonna go into this lighter purple shade. So now I'm gonna take this darker purple color. Okay, so now before I add any shimmer, I'm just going to do my lower lash line. Just going to take same colors I used on the lid. Just doing it all the way to the bottom. So now I'm going to take the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to use this as a base for my silver eyeshadow. So I'm going to just cut the crease of that. And what I like to do is I'll lay down face first, and I'll just open my eye up all the way like that, and you can see how far up that goes, and then you just fill in the rest. I'm just going to go about halfway across and stop there. And then I'm going to grab my Natasha Denona No. 9 palette, and I'm just going to take that silver shade and pack it all over where I laid down my primer. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have the silver laid down, I'm just going to grab my white liquid liner one more time. I'm just gonna cut that crease and kind of tie in the eyes with the whole neon look. Sorry if you can't see, this is kind of hard to show. And before I forget, I'm just going to use a little bit of Gimmie brow in number 5. Just brush it through. My brows are pretty full, as you can tell. I don't really do anything to them other than just a little bit of this. So now I'm just going to add some highlight, and oh my god, my camera's going to die. So I'm using Artist Couture Coco Bling to highlight. I'm gonna add my lashes, Lilly lashes in Miami, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just added my lashes. I put a little white eyeliner in my waterline and just added some mascara, and that's the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see any more of my makeup posts. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye! guys, welcome back.